Submagic has finally launched one of the most awaited features that many users have been requesting for a long time, the Submagic API. If you don't know what Submagic is, it initially started as a short-form content tool that helped you add captions to your videos. But later on, it completely transitioned into a video editing app. So in this video, I'll show you how to get your API key and everything you need to use the Submagic API. Also, I will be sharing a promotion code that will help you save money and get a discount on the Submagic API. So make sure you watch this video till the very end. To get started, click on the first link in the description, which will redirect you to the official Submagic website. As you can see here, there's a message: Submagic API is live. Automate your video editing workflow. You just need to click on Explore Now, and it will take you to a page that has detailed information about the API. You can also click on Documentation, where you can access the full guide and set up your workflow. This workflow can be connected to your own apps or integrated with different automation tools such as Make or N8N. There are multiple features this tool offers. As you can see, if I click on Features, these are all the features it offers: captions for your videos, magic clips, AI video translator, images, sound effects, and auto description. There is also the AI video editor feature, where you can upload your video and it will be transcribed into text format. Then you'll be able to edit your video just by editing the text. You can also trim your videos, add B-rolls, auto-zoom transitions, background music, and use the clip maker to create short clips from your long-form content. You can integrate all of these features through the API. Now coming to how you can get the API key. Just click on Try for Free in the top right corner and create your free account. Once you've created your account, your dashboard will look somewhat like this. As you can see, I'm on the free plan. To use the API, you'll need to upgrade to one of the paid plans. If I click on Integrations, you'll see this section. As I already mentioned, you can build your own web apps or even integrate with automation tools like Make or N8N. You can also click Watch Demo to see a demonstration of the Submagic API. They even have some popular pre-built workflows. Just click on one and you'll be able to open those projects directly without creating custom workflows from scratch. These workflows can save you up to 70% of your time and help automate your video production tasks. To get your API key, once you click on Integrations, look at the top right corner. There's an option to get your API key. Just click on it and you'll be able to access your API key. There's also another way to get your API key. Click on your profile and then go to Account Settings. At the bottom, you'll find an API section. Here, you'll see the option to generate your API key. Just click Generate API Key and it will be created for you. There are also instructions about monthly credits. API credits are consumed when using the Submagic API. Each minute of video processing uses 1 credit, with a minimum of 1 credit per video. That means even if your video is under 1 minute, 1 credit will still be consumed. If you exceed the monthly credit limit, your API access will be suspended until the next month. If you need help, you can always refer to their documentation. Back in the dashboard, under Integrations, if you click Get Your API Key, you'll see it asking for a business plan purchase. So to access the API key, you must subscribe to the business plan. When I click on Compare All Plans, it shows all available options. The API is only included in the business plan, along with all the features, so that's the one you need to select. I'll click on it and it will redirect us to the payment page. As you can see, this is a yearly plan that costs $492. If you want to get a discount, there's an option to add a promotion code. Click on it and enter the code TechPromise10 and click Apply, and now you'll get 10% off for the year, bringing the final price down to $442 for the entire year. You can now select your payment method, either by card or PayPal. Enter your details and complete the payment process. That's how you can access the Submagic API and get a discount. If this video was helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.